Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will continue to learn HSK2 Unit 2. 我每天6点起床。Lesson 1. 你是不是喜欢跑步？ I guess you must like jogging, don't you? First, let's have a look of some vocabularies. 生病，生病。It is a verb, which means to fall ill or to be sick. 生病。美，美。It is a pronoun, which means every or each. 美。早上，早上。It is a noun, which means morning. 早上。上 here it has the neutral tone. 跑步，跑步。It is a verb, which means to run or to jog. 起床，起床。It is a verb, which means to get up or to get out of bed. 起床。Now let's have a look of the conversation. 你很少生病，是不是喜欢运动？是啊，我每天早上都要出去跑步。你每天几点起床？我每天6点起床。So the first sentence, 很少，很 means very, 少 means few or little. 很少 seldom. 生病 means to get sick. 是不是喜欢运动？是不是 is to confirm a guess in a question. So in this sentence, the guess is 喜欢运动。你是不是喜欢运动？ I guess you like doing sports, don't you? 是啊，我每天早上都要出去跑步。每 means every or each. 每天 means every day. 每天早上 means every morning. 都要出去跑步。要 Do you still remember the meaning of 要? It means I want to do something. So in this sentence, 要出去跑步。I want to go out for jogging. 都 here it is used for emphasis, can be translated to even. 我每天早上都要出去跑步。I go out for a jog every morning. 你每天几点起床？起 is an action. The action, for example, could be lying down on the bed to sitting on the bed. 起床 from sitting on the chair to standing up. 起立你每天几点起床？床 means bed. What time do you get up? 我每天6点起床。I get up at 6 every day. So the key point for this lesson is 是不是？是不是 is to confirm a guess in a question. 你是不是喜欢运动？ Here, in this sentence, the guess is 喜欢运动 So we put 是不是 before this guess to emphasize, to confirm this guess in a question. In other words, if you use 是不是 before 喜欢运动 you are 90% sure that this person likes doing sports. 是不是 shows your confirmation of a guess. So the location of 是不是 in a sentence could be before the predicates or at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Before the predicates, examples would be 你是不是老师？你是不是中国人？你是不是要买个椅子？ In these questions, 老师、中国人、要买个椅子 are all your guesses, which you are 90% sure this person is or would like to do something. So you put 是不是 before these guesses, before these predicates, to show your confirmation of the guess. At the beginning of a sentence, 是不是？是不是明天有中文课？是不是今天下午要去买书？ What we could notice here is that there is no personal pronouns in these sentences, especially when we refer to we. 是不是明天有中文课 We is omitted. 是不是我们明天下午要去买书？我们 is omitted. That would sound more natural and authentic. By the end of the sentence, the guess would be a full sentence. And we put 是不是 by the end of the sentence to confirm our guess. 我们明天要去跑步，是不是？他们都不会说汉语，是不是？星期六我们有中文课，是不是？吗 and 是不是 they are all the sign of a question. The difference would be 吗 should be put at the end of the sentence, and 是不是 has more flexible locations, and the purpose or the meaning of 是不是 is to confirm the guess in a question. For example, the question of the guess. If you like just to ask the question, do you like sports? You should say, 你喜欢运动吗? If you are 90% sure that the person likes doing sports, you should use 是不是. 你是不是喜欢运动? And one thing we should notice here is that 是不是 cannot show up together with 吗 because they are all the question sentences. For example, 你喜欢跑步吗？你是不是喜欢跑步？你很少生病吗？你是不是很少生病？ The wrong example would be 你是不是喜欢跑步吗？ Here, the 吗 should be omitted. 你是不是喜欢跑步？ That would be correct. Now let's have a little practice. I will ask you some questions in English, and you will have some seconds to think what they would be in Chinese. Are you ready? Now let's go. I guess you must like jogging, don't you? 你是不是喜欢跑步？ Do you like jogging? 你喜欢跑步吗？ I guess you must be a teacher, aren't you? 你是不是老师？ We have a Chinese course tomorrow, don't we? 是不是明天有中文课？ We, here, 我们 is omitted to sound more natural. We have a Chinese course on Saturday, don't we? 我们周六有中文课，是不是？ That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please subscribe. We will upload more interesting courses. 谢谢，再见。